Right. Let's continue. Next question is: a camp has food stock for 500 people for 70 days. If 200 more people join the camp, how long will the stock last? So here is a camp uh, with a limited food stock for 500 people, and it will last for 70 days. Now here 200 more people has joined the camp, and we have to check how long the stock will last. So this is a case of inverse proportion, because what is happening here is the food is limited. The food is limited, or the food stock is limited, but the number of persons are increasing. Number of persons are increasing. So this is a case of inverse proportion. Let us see how can we find that. So x1 is nothing but 500, y1 is 70, y1 is 70, that is 70 days. X2 will be what? X2 is nothing but, initially the number of people was 500, to them 200 more added. So x2 is going to be 700. X2 is going to be 700. We have to find y2, that is the number of days the food stock going to last. Okay, so the formula is x1 y1 equal to x2 y2. Inverse proportion, this is a case of inverse proportion. So x1 y1 will be equal to x2 y2. Y2 we have to find. So y2 will be equal to x1 y1 by x2. Y2 will be equal to x1 y1 by x2. X1 is what? X1 is 500. Let's do it in the next step. X1 is 500. Y1 is 70 divided by x2. X2 is 700. So zeros get cancelled. 7 1s are 7, 10 5 into 10 is 50. So the food is going to last for 50 days. Please make a note of this. Right. Now the next question. If 15 workers can build a wall in 48 hours, how many workers will be required to do the same work in 30 hours? So this is this one is a similar case of inverse proportion. Like the work is fixed, that is building a wall. Okay, to build this wall, the 15 workers are taking 48 hours. Now here we have to find how many workers, like we have to find the number of workers to complete the same work in 30 hours. So now here x1 is 15, y1 48, x2 we don't know, x2 we have to find, y2 is given as 30. The formula is x1 y1 is equal to x2 y2. x1 is 15, y1 is 48, x2 we have to find, y2 is 30. So x2 is equal to 15 into 48 divided by 30. So 15 ones are 15 twos are 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 fours are. So x2 we are getting it as 24. So 24 workers required to build the same wall in 30 hours. Please make a note of this. Now again, next question. A school has 8 periods a day, each of 45 minutes duration. A school has 8 periods a day. So those who are listening to this question, everyone goes to school and they know they will have 6 periods or 7 periods or 8 periods in a day. Now here is a case wherein the school has 8 periods a day, each of 45 minutes duration. How long would each period become if the school has 6 periods a day? Meaning the number of periods are getting reduced from 8 to 6. Okay, so if I am reducing the number of periods from 8 to 6, this is going to decrease or increase. Now here in this case, this 45 minutes are going to increase because I am reducing the number of periods. Okay, so again this one is a case of inverse proportion wherein x1 is 8, y1 is 45, x2 is given as 6, y2 I have to find. That is the number of minutes each period will take. So same thing, inverse proportion x1 y1 equal to x2 y2. So y2 is equal to x1 y1 by x2. So y2 is equal to x1 is 8, y1 is 45 and x2 is 6. Let's calculate this. 2 3s are 2 4s are 3 1s are 3 1s are 1 remains, 1 and 5 makes 15. So 3 5. 4 into 15 is 60 minutes. So each period will be of duration 60 minutes. Please make a note of this. Now this one, the monthly average expenditure of a family with 4 members is rupees 2,800. Find the monthly average expenditure of a family with only 3 members. The same thing, the same question you can apply for your vacation. Like in your during your vacation, you can apply this concept for going on a picnic. Okay, supposing for going somewhere, it is costing for 4 members, it is rupees 2,800, and let us say one member got dropped or one member got increased. Okay, for the number of members got changed from 4 to 3 or from 4 to 5 or 6. Okay, how much amount you have to carry for such for a particular picnic? You can apply this concept there also. Okay, so let's do this one again. This one is also an example. Now this one is a case of direct proportion. So x1 by y1 equal to x2 by y2. So y2 will be equal to x2 into y1 by x1. x2 is 4, y1 is x2 is 3, y1 is 2800, x1 is 4. Let us cancel this. 4 ones are 4, 700. So y2 is coming as 3 sevens are 21. So y2 will be equal to 2100. Please make a note of this. These are the few important questions from the chapter number 10, which is nothing but direct and inverse proportion. Please make a note of this and do practice it. Start practicing. I suggest today you do practice this one. Tomorrow is a holiday. Tomorrow after afternoon, you all start reading for English exam. Now for presently do it for maths exam. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to share it with others. Thank you.